Hey y'all, my name's Natalie and I'm one of the senior product managers here at Trainual, and I'm really excited to walk you through a very brief demo of a brand new feature. This feature will allow admins and group managers to track the progress of how their employees are performing and allow them to keep tabs and ensure that they're getting through training in a timely manner. Before we get started, I have a question. Have you ever found yourself wanting to more easily track the progress of your employees without having to navigate all the way throughout the app? Previously, maybe you would have gone through the directory and had to search for someone and then click on their name and then get to their profile somehow to check on their progress. Or you might have navigated to the people report to kind of get a whole overview of how people are doing. Now you can follow an employee's progress right from your home screen. All you need to do is check out the left-hand side of your page. So go ahead and scroll down until you see this following section over here on the right-hand side of your home page. What you'll need to do is simply click the Add button here, and here you'll see a modal pop up. So something to note, if you're an admin, you will be able to see all of the users in your organization populate in this list, and if you're a group manager, you will only see the users who are in your groups. Now to follow somebody, all you need to do is click the box next to their name, and to unfollow somebody, unclick the checkbox next to their name. Don't forget to hit save. And it's as simple as that. Now you have quick access to follow any user in your organization and keep tabs on their training progress. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks!